Hello, little artists. Welcome back to our creative corner. Today, we have something super special. We are going to draw two of my favorite animal friends, a chilly penguin and a fluffy kitty. Are you ready? Grab your pencils and let's go. First, let's start with a big, smooth curve for the head. Look at that. Now, bring it all the way down to make a nice, round belly. Penguins love to eat fish, so they have very happy tummies. Cold ocean. Time for the face. Let's draw two shiny eyes. Blink, blink. And a small triangle for the beak. Is he smiling? I think he is. Let's draw another line inside the belly. This is where the white feathers go. And don't forget the tiny feet at the bottom. Waddle, waddle, waddle. Let's add some color. We'll use black for the body and a soft gray. Wow, our penguin looks so cozy. Next up is a sweet little kitty. Let's draw a perfect circle for the head. Great job. Kitties have very sharp ears. Let's draw two triangles on top. Can you hear the kitty purring? Now, let's draw the body sitting down. Add two little paws right in the front. 1, 2. So tiny and cute. The tail. Every kitty needs a tail. Let's make a long, curvy tail. It looks like a little hook. Let's give our cat a face. Eyes, a tiny nose, and the most important part, the whiskers. Zip, zip, zip. I'm going to color my kitty bright orange with some stripes. You can color yours any way you like. Maybe a purple cat or a blue one. If you had fun drawing with me today, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.